Sadman from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my question is that today we have an invitation and we'll be going to someone's house, and there will be some students of knowledge and a lot of people, and they will be reciting some parts of the Quran from like some short surahs, and afterwards they will be giving us an short Islamic reminder like about Ramadan and about the upcoming Laylatul Qadr. And after this reminder or short lecture, they will be making a dua, like dua for all of us, and this will be congregational dua actually, like they will be making dua and we'll be saying Amin, and after that they will give us iftar and then we'll come back home. So is it permissible to go to there?
No problem, inshallah.